P-O-P-O. Today we're making a big cookie. And we're showing you what to do and what not to do in baking.
This is Danica,
She's
our
a
cousin.
professional.
Yeah.
We had to have her.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're baking in our grandma's house. Kitchen.
Okay.
So,
first step, put on aprons because it's going to get messy.
oh, yeah.
And put up your hair because you don't want hair in your baking things. Yeah, in your mouth. That's disgusting. Okay. So put up your hair. Okay. So our recipe, what's the first step, Danica?
We're making big chocolate chip cookie.
Or as the recipe book says, award-winning soft chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so what's our first thing?
2 1/4 cups of flour.
Flour, okay. Let's put it in here.
Guys, where's the actual flour?
Flour? Right here.
Does Grandma have some outside?
Oh, yeah. Don't get confused with flowers and flour.
Like, yeah.
That would be disgusting.
Yep.
Okay.
Ew. So here's 1 cup.
That would bring out
This
some
is the messy
perfumey
part. Flavor.
Okay, Billy Joe.
So you want to take this, and then you take this thing,
You
and then
level it off.
then you level it.
Yes.
See the perfectness?
Boom. 1 cup.
1.
Now
And
we
then
need
we
2
need
and a
1/4.
half. Oh, 2 1/4. Okay.
1 more of these.
Yeah, never go off your memory or else it will turn out bad.
Very
Yeah,
bad.
one time, I found a red, what was it? Granulated sugar, when it was actually powdered sugar. And then that recipe, we were making like peanut butter or something, and it turned out
You can do it.
really gross. But people said that they liked it.
I think they were being nice.
Yeah.
How many baking soda?
Also, remember when I forgot the salt?
Yeah. Okay. 2 1/4 cups. We should also show the mixing bowl.
Yeah, and here's baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Yes. The real ingredient.
Do not get it confused with actual soda.
Where is her
Like Mountain Dew.
teaspoon?
That would really not make it good.
In here.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
Okay. As you can see, we're new to this kitchen.
Yeah, it's a little
so-
hard baking in a kitchen you don't know.
But we're making it.
These are tablespoons.
All of them? I think the smaller you go. That's
1
a half.
teaspoon.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna set. This is how you do
Hopefully
this.
this is the right thing.
This is my favorite thing.
Okay, you can do it.
Okay.
You haven't done it.
So then you
Is it
scoop it out.
showing it?
Can you guys see this?
No.
Oh, my hand was in the way.
Okay.
Okay, you scoop it out. You scoop a lot to make it like that.
Whole scoop.
And then you just
Yeah, that's
grab
how you
it
level
against
it.
that.
That's easier to level.
That's not really level.
Okay, yes.
Okay, wow. Ta-da.
And then you pop it in there.
Okay.
Baking soda. Check.
We're done. Set that aside.
Set that aside. There.
In a large bowl.
Also, put the oven on. Preheat the oven.
Do that before you
Yeah. So, or else you'll
Or else
be
you'll
waiting.
forget it, and then you'll be waiting for like 100 minutes. No, just kidding.
Wrong bowl. Put the flour and stuff in the smaller bowl.
Can you guys see that?
See, that's a don't. Don't put it in the big bowl. We just wanted you to see what not to do.
Okay. So.
Okay. Now you take out the big bowl.
Oh, now we need Grandma's microwave.
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 Butter. Butter is amazing.
What if someone pronounced
Two
it
scoops?
microwave?
What do we put in it?
Microwave.
Okay. Do peel off the wrappings. Don't leave it in the microwave
No.
without it.
Oh.
Get some Grandma's
Spatulas.
Remember we bought that for her? No, a different spatula.
It was
It had a
cool
word on
one.
it.
At one hardware store.
Back.
It's okay.
No, it's fine.
I forgot about that.
I think
Okay.
your hair just has
So
some butter.
before you put it in the microwave, you should.
Put your hair in a bun. It just has
I
some butter
should
on it.
put my hair in a bun, or else it will get butter on it, or anything else.
Now we put it in the microwave.
Does anyone else have another ponytail?
No, in the bathroom.
Yeah, go to Grandma's
Okay,
bathroom.
I'm going to the bathroom.
She'll be
See
back.
how you put it in the middle, because otherwise... Yeah, you don't want it on the
Yes.
side, otherwise
Use
it will
and don't.
open. Now, always start off with 30 seconds.
Yeah, you never know how much it will take.
And then you can stir it
Or
in.
how powerful it is. Do-do-do. I'll edit this out, hopefully.
We should add like some music.
Yeah.
Hey guys, do you like my bun?
Okay, that works.
No.
As you can see, she's not that good at putting buns in.
I can't do anything
There's
with my
Grandma.
hair.
With this
Is
apron,
Alyssa coming?
No.
guys, with this apron, I look
There's
like...
Grandma in her engine and Alyssa.
Guys, you know that one person on commercials for insurance? With this apron, I look like that girl.
Progressive. Those
I think we
are
should've got-
super annoying commercials.
I think we should've
They
got
get
a bigger
played
bowl.
so many times.
bigger bowl?
Okay.
Okay, try to with the bun. And here's a
Here is Alyssa.
Okay.
We're making cookies.
Here's Alyssa.
Yep. Do you want to help us?
This is our grandma.
Hello there.
You can call her grandma. She doesn't care.
Are you live?
Yeah. No.
Oh. We should have gone. That
Yeah.
would be easier next time. Oh, did you hear that? Our oven is ready.
Ooh. Preheat it to 350. Make sure it says bake.
Oh, butter is
Not
hot when it
cooktop.
comes out of the microwave.
Butter is really hot.
You might want to put it on the oven. That's what I do.
What?
Not that hot.
You guys can't even see that. Stir the butter around.
Okay,
Okay.
bye, Grandma.
We can't do that.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
You can see Grandma mowing the lawn.
No, we don't have to.
Just kidding. We're
that.
not. No, it's fine.
Baking.
We're baking.
We're not mowing the
We're
lawn.
busy.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
Brown sugar. We need
cream
brown
together
sugar.
the butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. So how much brown
Okay,
sugar?
make sure you read the directions
I feel like
good.
I'm really doing it like that. Like, I feel like I'm trying to give you all things, because, you know, I feel like I'm doing it all.
No, you aren't. It's okay. How much brown sugar?
This is my eye.
3/4 cup? Okay. Oh, Joe, don't be creepy. This is a baking video.
Oh, but it's really
Set it up.
boring.
Set it up.
Well, no, because
Okay, so scoop the brown sugar. This is where messes are made.
We have a pop socket on the phone, so that
Okay, is it packed brown sugar? For brown
Yes.
sugar, you have to pack it like this.
you guys
Well,
need to
use
use short so you can see.
Yeah, like you.
The key to baking is getting
we should have washed our hands
mess.
first.
Oh, don't worry. We washed our hands before this video.
You always have to do that.
Do's and don'ts.
Yeah.
Go wash your hands, Alyssa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, then double wash your hands. Okay. We used all of this brown sugar.
Probably.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all packed.
With
Yeah,
brown
pack
sugar.
the brown sugar.
I can do it.
And then,
Oh,
we're gonna
Video
put this
of- put it
in
in
that hole.
Okay, yes. Be careful, it's still hot. Is it showing it? And
Ooh, it makes,
it looks like
okay.
a sandcastle.
yeah,
You know
make
if you
sure
did
it's
it
a
good.
sandcastle.
If you didn't do it good, then it won't be a sandcastle.
Okay, butter is in.
Those are mine.
Make sure you don't cover up the ingredients.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to like bake and cover up the ingredients or else it will
Now
turn out
we need
bad.
white sugar.
White sugar?
White sugar.
Did you put it here?
again?
Do you know how much?
1/4 can.
1/4 cup?
What were you doing?
Wait,
Did you
3/4
know
or a 4?
1/4.
Okay. This is wait, 3/4?
1/4.
1/4. Okay. Yeah.
What's that
Sometimes baking with a lot of people, you get messed up, which isn't that good.
Yeah.
Okay. Here. 1/4 cup.
Only that much.
That's weird.
What?
What's up?
Oh no.
She doesn't have her apron on.
She doesn't have her hair up, Alyssa.
Okay. She's our taste tester.
Yeah, she's our taste tester. Yeah, that's right.
And then I took it out.
Oh.
Are those aprons from the bakery?
Yeah.
Watch this. This is a hack to get a bun. You see, you make a miniature bun. Okay, sugar is in.
Make
What's
another
next?
one.
Danica?
Meat and pudding mix.
Pudding mix. That's the secret to
Need
really
to take your
good.
scrunchie.
Okay, guys.
And you wrap it.
Yeah, because she's a Visco girl.
I was just gonna
Okay, so we have our sugars in. Now we're gonna put in the pudding mix.
Did you guys see that? I can like
Okay.
roll so fast.
Package.
The secret ingredient is pudding mix. It tastes really good inside cookies. Yeah. Oh, so if you didn't know what a big cookie is, some people call it pizza cookie. You put it in this container. Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
So yeah. And then it's like huge, and it's good for a lot of people, and you don't have to roll it into balls.
The pudding mix.
Pudding mix is in. Did you do both packages?
It says 1.
It says one. Okay.
Now we have to blend it.
Blend
Wanna do
it.
it? You can. Or,
Yeah, you can do it because I'm holding the phone. I hope that you can see. Yeah.
You just have to blend it really good.
Yeah, you have to make sure it's creamy because you don't want like a whole chunk of butter in it. That would taste disgusting.
Yeah, so make sure you microwave that first.
Yeah. Chunk it.
You're staring at him.
Wait, did you know how people walking? Yeah, what were they doing?
Did you read it?
Well, I was
Well, can we do like music?
Can't you edit it? We'll try. My phone doesn't always work for that.
Oh, we should put some music on.
Okay. Music helps bakers.
Don't get copyrighted.
Okay, yes. There.
Copyrighted?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get copyrighted.
You can?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Then we shall not do that.
That's why we make our own music. Okay. That doesn't help bakers.
Now we need to stir in
the eggs and vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Did you wash your hands twice? Seen the ABCs?
We need 2 eggs. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 2 eggs right here. Wait, we have to do our do's and don'ts of eggs. So do. Okay,
Don't
Danica
waste
will show
that.
us how to do it. Do.
Make sure you do it really good.
Yeah.
Do not get
Crack
the
it.
eggs shells in.
And then pinch it to let the egg out, but no shell.
No shell.
Yes. Don't
Throw
get the
it in
shell
there.
in there, or throw. Don't. Don't throw it in there.
Do it.
Crack it. We'll see how Alyssa cracks it.
Ooh, go Alyssa! Yeah. Wait, okay.
Don't
do that.
go like that. No shells in it. That would be crunchy and disgusting.
And don't take an egg
Egg.
And
and
squeeze
just
it.
put it in here.
Or
like
yeah,
that.
that would be this.
Ew.
No. Eggs have shells for a reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, what?
To take them off and protect the inside.
Don't listen to her.
Okay, says you, the one talking about
now we
life hack.
Now we need
That was Alyssa!
You videoed her.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, can we do life hacks?
Now we need
After
vanilla.
this,
I love
vanilla. Where is the vanilla? Did Grandma take the vanilla out?
Yeah.
Can I do the vanilla?
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
But don't we need vanilla? This is extra.
This is vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Danica, where does the teaspoon go?
Wait, so usually when I bake, I put the vanilla in a in the teaspoon, and then I
make
put
sure-
the teaspoon in the thing. But then sometimes I add a little bit more vanilla.
Yeah, it makes it really good.
Make
Do you
sure-
do that?
Make sure you do not
use a tablespoon instead of teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay, watch me.
I did that one time, and then I had to like scoop the salt out, and then it was really.
I will teach you how to pour vanilla.
Pour vanilla, pour. Can you guys see?
You have to get it all the way to the top, but don't overfill it. See this? Go bloop, 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 bloop.
That's our sound effects. Okay,
That's our
so
music.
after that. Okay.
Now we take the other bowl,
Other bowl with the flour, the smaller one,
put the flour and.
and baking soda or something. Guys, don't talk about family.
Why? We are all stir. Oh, now we have to stir it all together. Finally, after this,
It.
Wait,
we add it in. You can see that it's getting very.
Cookie dough-ish.
You don't want it to
Why are all those twins coming?
do that.
Shoot, fly.
Okay, the yummiest thing is cookie dough, which is we are making.
Pictures.
Which is weird.
It takes a while to get started.
Yeah.
Make sure you get all of it started.
Because you don't want patches of flour or baking soda.
Oh, look at Jessa. Jessa is so cute. Bobby dough. Aww.
Okay. Yeah. Just do a little bit of it.
Okay, it's forming into cookie dough. But there's still some splotches of flour that we're trying to get out.
And we haven't even taken our full pictures.
Oh, we
Not till the 25th.
Whoa.
I don't want to go.
What? 25th is a good day for Billy Joe.
Yeah.
Slash that day.
She's having
Okay, let's not do that on there.
Okay,
I'm having knee surgery on the 25th. Okay.
Okay, there's
Now we
our cookie
add
dough.
chocolate chip. The best boy. Dun, 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 chocolate chip. And M&M's.
So the full package.
M&M's and M&M's.
Really? Grandma said not.
How much?
I don't know. We'll do like half the
I want to see the oven.
Okay, when you're baking, make sure you have lots of fun because that's the best part of baking.
Ready? Watch this explode!
Okay. I'm not
Okay, there's our chocolate chip.
Ooh, that's so satisfying.
I want to eat some.
Okay. Also, take a little bite of it.
Okay,
But you'll get sick.
but
Don't
first-
eat too much.
Can I add the whole package?
Danica's asking Grandma right now. So stir in the chocolate chips. And you don't want all of them at the bottom or else it will be just not the best.
attention. I was going like this.
She's so intense with her mowing.
Yay, the oven She is is. Remember ready. that one time we came with her mowing?
Yeah.
Did you hear the oven beep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why you put it on the oven before, so that it will be ready by the time you need it. Where did Alyssa go?
To get Grandma's attention.
Let's just put in half the bag or something.
Look at that dog! Aww! Do you guys see that? He was sitting on the back of the pickup. Okay. Jonah.
Hungry?
Wait, what does this say? Did you guys hear that scream? I did.
Okay.
Yum.
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
Don't eat the cookie dough unless you have your parents' permission, because it may give you salmonella.
Too bad.
We have our parents' permission,
Yeah.
and it's really good.
Delicious so. But don't eat too much or else it won't fit in the thing.
And it will be really noticeable.
And your mistake.
I think I dropped a piece, guys.
Also,
This is
when
our
you're done-
spill.
Also, when
You
you're
always
done,
get messy when you're baking, so
Also-
make sure it's good.
Also, when you're done, like when you're waiting for it to be in the oven, Make sure you clean up your spot.
And she says you can add a few of these to the dough, but then you can add them to the top before you put them
Okay.
in the oven. And she opens them.
That's a few.
She goes, "Come here. What are those?" And she opens them and takes the whole handful.
Okay.
Watch this.
No!
Why not?
That's a few.
I saved some.
Try.
Okay.
Okay. So now, don't we have to spray that cookie?
No, it says on grease.
Okay.
Probably should.
I feel like we should spray it.
Well, sorry. It's okay.
I was standing there for like 3 minutes trying to get her.
So,
I heard you screaming.
And then when she,
oh, sorry
and then when
guys.
she found me, she was like, "Oh, she's."
Now you make sure you get everything.
In
Can you guys see?
And then the trick to getting it down is wetting your hands, or else this happens. It doesn't work.
I always put butter on my hands.
You put too much.
No, it's okay.
I think it's
Grandma
too
told us to
close.
put the whole package in.
Oh, this is satisfying.
Now you make sure you get it all the way to the edges.